What's the meaning of beef tea? Beef tea. Beef tea.
Beef tea. Beef tea. Beef tea is a clear, brown-colored liquid made by simmering beef bones, meat, and other flavorings in water for an extended period of time. This traditional English drink has been consumed for centuries as a source of nourishment and to promote healing during times of illness or weakness. It is believed to contain many essential vitamins and minerals that are easily absorbed by the body, including iron, potassium, and vitamin B12. Beef tea is often recommended for people recovering from surgery or illness, or for those who have difficulty eating solid foods. Overall, beef tea is a comforting and nutritious beverage with a long history of use in English culture.